Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to close non-corresponding apps using Task Manager in Windows 10. This can be a useful technique when you encounter unresponsive or unwanted applications. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Task Manager. Right-click on an empty spot on the taskbar and click on Task Manager from the context menu. Great! Now that you have Task Manager open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Ensure you're in the advanced view. If you see a collection of tabs towards the top, you're already in the advanced view. However, if you find yourself in the simplified view, click on More Details at the bottom to switch to the advanced view. Perfect. Now that you're in the advanced view, let's proceed to the next step. Step 3. Ensure you're on the Processes tab. This tab displays a list of all the running processes on your system. Excellent. Now, on to the next step. Step 4. Click on the desired app from the list of processes. This will highlight the app you want to close. Almost there. Now for the final step. Step 5. Click on End Task from the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. The selected app should close within a few seconds. Fantastic. You've successfully closed a non-corresponding app using Task Manager in Windows 10. This method can help resolve issues with unresponsive applications and improve your overall system performance. That concludes today's tutorial on how to close non-corresponding apps using Task Manager in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.